Hello friends, welcome to my electronics channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can control the brightness of an LED with the help of a rotary potentiometer or a variable resistor. So these are the components that you would require to create a circuit. We will need one Arduino Uno microcontroller, one breadboard where you will be able to connect all these the electronic components, one USB cable to provide the 5-volt DC supply, a few jumper cables. We'll be using one 10K rotary potentiometer, uh, one red colored LED bulb, and one 220 ohms resistor. Okay, so once you have arranged all these components, we can jump into the schematic or the circuit diagram. So as you can see over here, we will be using one 10K potentiometer. The potentiometer has three different pins. One is the VCC input, which will get the input from the 5-volt pin of Arduino. The next point is the ground. The ground of the Arduino will be connected to it. And the middle pin, which is the data, will be connected to the A0 analog input pin of the Arduino microcontroller. So the idea is that whenever I rotate the knob of this potentiometer, the resistance varies and the value changes from the minimum value of 0 to a maximum value of 1023. And whenever I like rotate the knob, the changed value is captured uh, with the help of this A0 like analog input pin. So that's what has been explained in this section. Uh, for the this LED piece, I will be using this pin number 9, which is a digital as well as a PWM pin, the pulse width modulation, capable of like showing a PWM duty cycle of the wave. And I will be connecting one 220 ohms resistor like this over here, and one LED will be connected. And with the help of this, the VC, I mean the ground terminal will be connected to the cathode of the LED, and this resistor will be connected directly to the pin 9. So that's how the current flows. So as soon as pin 9 is set to high, the current flows via this resistance of 220 ohms to let this LED 1 glow. Okay, so once you have successfully connected this circuit diagram, let's jump into the Arduino code. Okay, so as you can see here friends, it's a very simple code where I intend to control the brightness of the LED with this 10K potentiometer. Now the main concept that has been implemented over here is an ADC or analog to digital converter. So what happens is I'm using one integer variable, this ADC value, to capture the value of the analog, the meter, which is my potentiometer here, from the pin A0. Okay, so that's being stored in this ADC value. So I'm using one more integer variable called LED pin to pin number 9. So we will be using the D9, the PWM pin of the Arduino, to control the brightness of the LED. So in my the setup function, I am instantiating the pin number 9 as an output pin. I'm setting a serial begin so with 9600 baud rate so that I can capture some of the values in my serial monitor. So inside my loop method, this analog read value from the pin A0 of Arduino is captured into this ADC value variable. So the moment I turn the knob of the potentiometer, the value changes from a minimum value of 0 to a maximum value of 1023, and whatever is the value being captured is stored in this ADC value. Now with the help of this analog write method, I am sending a value or a digital value to the pin number 9. So what it does is So I'm using this map method to map the analog value of 0 to 1023 to a digital value of 0 to 255, which is actually mapping to a value which controls the brightness of the LED. So the brightness of the LED like ranges from 0, which is no brightness or dark, to a maximum value of 255, which is the full brightness, okay, or the full glow of the LED. So depending on what value is being captured in this ADC, the analog value is being converted to a digital, and that is being sent to the pin number 9. Okay, so that's how the analog write method helps us to convert the analog value to a digital counterpart. So let's see how the circuit works in our working video section. Here's a working video of an LED brightness controlled by the 10K potentiometer. So over here we have connected this 10K potentiometer. The data pin of this potentiometer is connected to this A0 pin of the Arduino, the analog pin here on top. And the VCC and the ground from the Arduino is connected to the breadboard, and hence into this the VCC and the ground pin of the 10K potentiometer. So as you can notice over here, the moment I increase the value of the potentiometer, this blue colored LED, which is connected to the pin number 9 of the Arduino, the brightness of the LED increases, okay, till a point I reach the maximum value of the potentiometer. So the value of potentiometer ranges from 0, which is the minimum, to 1023, which is the maximum value, and the brightness of the LED varies from 0 to 255. Okay, so this is a scenario in which we are mapping the analog value of the potentiometer, which is captured via this A0 pin, then converted to a digital value, this ADC conversion, analog to digital conversion of the value of this analog value is captured via this A0 pin and then converted to a digital value, which is used to map the intensity of this LED. The brightness of the LED varies from 0 to 255, which is the mapping of the value being fed from the potentiometer. Okay, so as I do this phenomenon, you can observe on the serial monitor, currently the potentiometer value is 0. Okay, as soon as I increase the value, so as soon as I rotate the potentiometer knob towards the right, the value is increasing from 0 till it reaches the highest value of 1023 when this LED is glowing. So this is the maximum value. So the value of 1023 is converted to digital and then mapped to the highest value, which is 255 for the brightness of the LED. And then I'll just reduce this. So if you notice the serial monitor, which is mapped to my COM4 port, I will just reduce from 1023 till the 0 level. Okay, and the LED brightness has stopped now. Okay, so if you see this, the code over here, that's what it explains. So this analog read value is being captured via this A0 pin, then it is mapped with the help of this map method. ADC value is mapped to 0 to a range of 0 to 255, and then that value is converted to this LED pin brightness. So this is how it works. Okay, so friends, if you liked this video and found it useful for your electronics learning, please hit like and subscribe to my channel and provide support and encouragement. Thanks so much for watching.